Howdy friends and neighbors, this is Les Puryear coming to you again with another easy to strum song. And the song we're going to learn how to play today is called That Old Country Church by Hank Williams. And so we're going to do it in the key of E. There's a place near to me where I'm longing to be, with my friends at the old country church. There with Mother we went, and our Sundays we spent with our friends at the old country church. Precious years of memories, oh, what joy they bring to me. How I long once more to be with my friends at the old country church. As a small country boy, how my heart beat with joy when I looked in that old country church, and the Savior above in His wonderful love saved my soul at that old country church. Precious years of memories, oh, what joy they bring to me. How I long once more to be with my friends at the old country church. That old country church. I like that song. Hope you did. See you later.